friends, I am going to show you today how I make a really nice raspberry cream cheese dessert. This is probably one of those desserts from the 50s, 60s. Very nice old-fashioned dessert. But anyway, with that you're going to need a box of raspberry Jello. I happen to be using sugar-free. And you're going to need 1 8-ounce brick of cream cheese softened. So, with that, we are going to dissolve we got 3/4 cups of boiling hot water in here. And we also have 3/4 cup of cold water. But we are going to dissolve this Jello in this hot water first. Now you're going to want to mix this really, really good until it's completely dissolved. Because if you don't, it'll leave a rubbery, leathery film across the bottom of your pan. So you want it all good and dissolved. This is so easy to put together. You can use any kind of Jello you want to. A lot of people use the lime. I happen to like the raspberry. We'll check the bottom of that and make sure it's getting mixed up really good because you want it all dissolved. That just takes a couple of minutes. Okay. I think that's pretty much dissolved in there. Okay. So, with that, I've got my blender out. Now, you can certainly mix this by hand, but I want it nice and creamy, so I'm going to use my blender. And to my blender, I'm going to add this 8 ounces of cream cheese. Plus, I'm going to add the Jello. Put the lid on that. Put the lid on that, and we're going to give that a good mix. Okay, we'll see if we got that mixed up real good yet or not. Get my... I don't want any chunks in there. Yeah, I still need to mix it up a little bit more. Okay, this is so noisy, so I'm going to turn the camera off until I get this. Okay, I think we have it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the cold water in here, and then we're going to give it another quick mix. Okay, so over here I grabbed my pan and I got a little bit of oil I wiped along the bottom of this pan so that this Jello, once it's set up, it'll come out of this pan pretty easy. So we're just going to dump that right in there just like so. All right, and that's all we do. Now we're going to put this, I'm going to put this in the freezer for about a half an hour, and it should set up pretty good. Otherwise, you can just put it right in your refrigerator. Leave it for a few hours, and it'll be nice and set up. So when this is all set up, and I'm ready to serve it, I'll bring you back and show you what I do. Okay, friends, this is all done, nice and set up. And I'm going to see just how well it comes out of here. This looks wonderful. Cut that. Cut that. Oh yeah, it comes out beautifully. Look at there. What a nice little dessert. So there you have it. See how nice and set up is? That's how easy it is. I hope you give it a try. And thanks for watching.